Example 1, catchment area calculation for flat surface. Okay, see, in this building, if you see, we have three terraces: terrace 1, terrace 2, T2, and terrace 3. Okay, and these terraces each are having the rainwater down pipes. So for terrace 1, we have RDP1. For terrace 2, we have RDP2. And for terrace 3, we have RDP3. Correct? Now, to size this RDPs, 1, 2, 3, you must know the catchment area. Then you will use that formula, C into I into A. Okay, you must know how to calculate the catchment area. So for RDP1, what will be the catchment area? For RDP1, this RDP1 is having the water flow rate from this roof only. That is the terrace 1. Okay. So terrace 1 is having the area, the catchment area. CA stands for the catchment area. So the catchment area for RDP1 will be equals to area of ABCD. ABCD. And now there is no adjoining wall over here. So we will not consider, because in the last class what we have studied, that catchment area is equal to horizontal plane area plus 50% of the one adjoining vertical wall. So now in this case, we don't have any vertical wall. This is the parapet wall, okay, not a full height wall. So there is no adjoining wall over here. So in that case, only the ABCD, the flat surface area, will be considered for the catchment area. Clear? Second, what will be the catchment area for RDP2? What will be the catchment area for RDP2? So we have to see RDP2 is taking water from terrace T2 only. Correct? So the area of this flat roof, that is area of EFGH, that is T2, plus there is one adjoining vertical wall, right? So we have to take 50% of this area, that is AFHM. Okay, this one. This wall. Okay, so 50% of this wall you have to take to calculate the catchment area of RDP2, and adding all this flat area, this one. Okay, got it. Now, what will be the catchment area for RDP3? Now, RDP3 is carrying the load of T3 and T2 also, because T2, the water which will be falling on the terrace 2 will be going to the terrace 3, then it will be going to the RDP3. So RDP3 is carrying the load of this roof as well as this roof. So area of EFGH, that is T2, plus area of IJKL, that is T3, plus 50% area of AFHM, that is this one, 50% area of this one, and 50% of area MJLC, that is MJLC, this one. So 50% of this, 50% of this, and T2 plus T3. This will be the catchment area for RDP3. Okay. So this is how you will calculate the catchment area for the flat surfaces.